If you're looking for a griddle that looks great on your patio, has the capacity to handle your cooks, and is easy to clean and maintain, the Gridiron 36 may be the griddle for you. With more than 600 square inches of cooking space, the Gridiron is perfect for any occasion, from intimate gatherings to grand parties. All right, let's begin with startup. The Gridiron 36 griddle has 4 robust burners, each equipped with dedicated flamethrower ignitions. This means that you get a reliable start every time, and the griddle is pre-seasoned and ready to cook right out of the box. Now that the griddle is fired up, let's talk about cooking. With over 600 square inches of cooking space, you have plenty of room to cook up your favorite meals. Whether it's a smash burgers for dinner or a large pancake breakfast, oh, you will have plenty of room. Now, each of the burners is independently adjustable, so you can create different zones to tailor your experience to whatever you are cooking. The griddle is reinforced on the bottom to minimize warping, and the surface levelers at the rear allow you to adjust the griddle's angles even when hot, ensuring efficient grease drainage. When it comes to cooking, it's important to have all your tools easily accessible. The Gridiron 36 is the first grill in our lineup that features our magnetic accessory system, so you can personalize your cooking experience and have the tools you need within reach. Bottle holders, paper towel dispenser, magnet hooks, and more. All right, we're done cooking. Let's talk about cleanup and maintenance. We took inspiration from the cooking styles of teppanyaki and hibachi chefs and designed the grease management system to be easy to maintain. The large front grease trough and central chute efficiently handle grease and food debris, directing it all into a large grease cup below the griddle. The grease cup is easily accessible from the front of the griddle, but hidden behind the grill skirt, so your grill will continue to look as good as the food you'll be cooking on it. Some other notable features worth mentioning are the sturdy angle legs, giving your griddle stability, and the 4 casters allowing you to move your griddle in and out of storage or around your patio. The lid protects your griddle from the elements and can be used during cooking to steam up food or melt cheese. If you're looking for a griddle that looks good on your patio, has the capacity to handle your cooks, and is easy to clean and maintain, the Gridiron 36 may be the griddle for you. For more information on the Gridiron 36, head to campchef.com.